Hey guys, it's Harry, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use a UI switch. These are used to switch on and off things. It's very common on the iPhone, like in settings and stuff. Yeah. So the way that you do that is first we have to create a new Xcode project. We can just create a view-based application. And then you want to go into your classes and go into your viewController.h and create an IV outlet, a UISwitch, and we can just call it switch. Apparently that's a command. Switch 1. Okay. So then you want to go into your viewController.m file, and we can just get rid of all of that and that. And then actually go back into your viewController.h again and create an IB action. Switch which changed. Whoops. There we go. Okay. And you can just copy and paste that into your .m. And then you want to... Okay. So this is what's going to happen when the switch changes. And so what you're going to want to put in here is whatever you want to happen when the switch changes. For the purposes of this tutorial, let's just create a UI alert view that comes up every time that you change it, saying whether it's on or off. So you create an alert view by saying UI alert, or alert view, alert equals UI alert view alloc init with title, which is alright. First we have to find out what the switch is. Is it on or off? So the way that you do that is create an if statement. So if switch 1, if switch 1 is on, then display this alert. Okay, so the alert is going to say, so if it's on, then the switch is on. The message is switch on, and the title is switch, and the delegate is self, and the cancel button title is okay, and we don't need any other buttons, so we can just say no, and then we can say move alert, alert show, and alert release. Okay, and so then you want to say else. So if the switch is off, for some reason the switches don't have the I don't know what you call this, like extension or something, but they don't have an extension, let's just call it for on. You can only say off. So like the switch is on, or the switch is on with a little thing right there, meaning it's actually off. It gets a little bit confusing, but yeah. So we're saying if the switch is on, show that it's on. Otherwise, it has to be off. It can't be anything else. So we display an alert saying that it's off. Okay, so that's how you'd tell the switch to do that, and we'll just build one, and it succeeded. And oh right, first we have to hook up our IV outlets in our vcontroller.xib. Forgot about that part. Okay, so all you need is a UISwitch, which we can just place relatively in the center, and hook it up to our IV outlet. Then we want to hook up our action to the editing changed. Save and quit interface builder, build and run in the simulator, and go back into your viewcontroller.xib. I must have hooked up the action to the wrong thing. Oh right, you want to hook it up to value change, not editing change. That's for text fields and stuff like that. So value changed. Save, build and run, okay. And it worked. So switch is now off, switch is now on. Okay, so now let's tell it to save what the switch is. Like what the value of the switch is after the application is quit. So first I want to create an NS user default. So we can put right here, right under the alert, the NS user default. So NS user defaults, standard defaults. Oh, oops. Oh, right, not user defaults, just NS. Oh, right. Yeah, it is. Sorry, I don't know why I blanked on that. And then set bool for key. The bool is yes. For the key, let's just say switch. And copy and paste this into the switches off thing and set the bool to no. Okay, so now that we've saved it, we need to get it in here. And so the way that you'd set a switch to the value that you want it to be is this. So you want to type in the switch's name, which is switch 1, set value, or is it set bool? 1 second. Oh, right. Okay, neither. It's set on. We'll get the NS user default in a sec. Animated. Why isn't it? Okay, there we go. Animated equals yes, because it just looks nicer. Okay, so set on. Now we have to get the NS user default. So that would be NS user defaults, standard defaults, bool for key, switch. Okay, so build, okay, that worked. Now let's build and run. And you see it turned off. So we turned it on, the switch is now on. You quit the app, go back, switch is on. Alright, so we go back, turn it off, the switch is off, and just make sure that it's not saving anything, because since I have the 4.0 installed on here, it saves everything. And there we go, it turns off and it's animated, nice little, yeah, okay. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and stay tuned for my next tutorials.